Hello everyone. So today's topic is fraction. We'll revise what we have done in class 6. Just a quick revision of that. Suppose this is you and you ordered a pizza. As you were about to eat it, one friend of yours joins you and says, Baba, don't eat it alone. I want to eat it also. So what will you do? You will make two equal parts of the pizza. You'll cut it into two parts. You'll cut it into two parts, two equal parts. You'll give one to your friend and you'll keep one to yourself. Now this was the pizza. How will we name it? It is one full pizza. Yes, you have ordered one full pizza. What you did? You made its two parts. You gave one part to your friend and one part you kept for yourself. So how will we name this piece size? How will we name this piece size? So how many parts we have done? 2. And how many parts you are eating? 1. He's also eating 1 out of the 2 equal parts. So what is the name of this piece? How will we read it? We'll read it as half. We'll read it as half. So what is the name of this piece size? This together is read as half. This piece size is named as half. Okay. So here the name of this piece size is half. Now he get half. Okay. Now if you have one more friend joining you, there is one more friend. He just enters your room. One more friend, he enters your room and he says, we also want to eat the pizza. So what will you do? You will make how many parts now of the same pizza? You will make 3 parts of the same pizza. I have already done 3 parts. I have already done 3 parts of the pizza. One part he'll also get one part you'll keep for yourself. How will we name it again? Again, the pizza was of the same size. You made its 3 equal parts, and how will you name it? 1, 2, 3 parts. You got one part of the 3 equal parts. You also get one part of 3 equal parts. You also got one part out of 3 equal parts, and we'll name this total as, we'll read it as 1/3. We'll read it as 1/3. Okay. Now if one more friend joins, what you need to do? You need to make what? You need to make its how many parts of the same pizza? 1, 2, 3 and 4. You need to make 4 equal parts. He'll get this, he'll get this, he'll get this, he'll get this. Or we can say, we'll make, for this pizza, we'll make its 4th. We'll make 4th of the same pizza. 4th means 4 equal parts. If we have made 3 parts, we say thirds. Okay, here we can say we have made 4ths of this pizza. Here we have made thirds of the, we are taking out thirds from pizza. Okay, so we have made fourths, and this together, this piece size is read as, this is the piece size, how much he is getting? He is getting 1/4. He is getting 1/4. Okay. Similarly, we can make fifths, we can make sixths, depending upon how many pieces you have to do. Okay, how many pieces you have to do. Now, who ate the bigger piece size? He got 1/4. He got, what was the name of this piece size? We have made thirds, so this is 1/3, and he ate 1/2. Who ate more? So I think he ate more. So let us compare. Okay, so here this is bigger. Yes, 1/3 is smaller than half, and 1/4 is smaller than 1/3 and 1/2. Okay, so this means as the number of people increase, we get the smaller piece size. We get the smaller piece size. Now, mathematics mein how will we name it? So, okay, this will be named as, this will be called as denominator. Okay, and this will be named as numerator. Okay, this will be named as numerator. Denominator shows the total number of pieces you have made, the total number of pieces made. Okay, you have made. And numerator shows how much you are getting, how much you are getting. Okay, is it clear? So now, if it is 2/3, so this means what? He is getting, he has 1/3, he is getting one more third. Okay, and it means if we name him Aditya, if his name is Aditya, let him name, this is Vivek and this is Shaurya. Okay, so let us suppose Aditya took 2 pieces from the pizza of third piece size. So how many thirds he has eaten? 2/3. Now if he took one more third, it means how much he has eaten? 3/3, or we can say he ate how much? 1 full pizza. Okay, here also, if Vivek took one more part of the same pizza, so how much he ate? 1 full pizza. Or we can also read it as 2 halves. Okay? 2 halves only means once, so we can also write 2 halves as 1 full pizza. Similarly, for fourths, if he'll eat 1/4, one more fourth, one more fourth, one more fourth, it means how many fourths he has eaten? 4/4. It means 1 full. Okay, so in total, what are fractions? Fractions are the part of the whole. What is whole? This is 1 full. We have made third. This was the part of this 1 full pizza. Sorry. If we have made 1/5, this 1/5 is the part of this 1 full pizza. This is half. Half is also the part of this 1 full pizza. If we have made its fourth is also the part of this 1 full pizza. So we can say fraction is the part of whole. Whole means one full. Whether a chocolate, whether a pizza, a chapati, or the total number of means total, whatever the total is, whatever the full is. Okay. Now we have compared them. Now what are the types of fraction? Types of fraction. So very first type is like. First is like fraction. So like fractions are, now we know what denominators are. So the like fractions are, if, how will we name it? These are 2/3. This is 1/3, one more third, one more third, or one more third. How many thirds are there in total? 4 thirds. This is 1/3. What is the similar between them? The piece sizes are same. Okay, this is the third piece size. This is also the third. This third, and third. All the piece sizes are same. So we can say whose denominators are same, or if those which have the same piece size, those are the like fractions. Those are the like fraction. Okay. Next is, what are unlike fractions? So this is 1/3. We can say this is 2/3. What piece size is it? This is half. Okay. What piece size is this? This is 1/4. So here the piece size is half. We have done 2 parts. Here the piece size is 1/4. We have done 4 parts of the full chocolate, as the denominator shows how many parts of a chocolate or a pizza we have done. So they all have different piece sizes. These type of fractions are called as unlike fractions. Next, what are improper fractions? Okay, what are improper fractions? So 1/3, we can say 1/3. 1/3 is a proper fraction. 2/3 is also a proper fraction. Okay. Then comes 3/3. Then come 4/3. So these are improper fractions. This is 5/3. Okay. 5/3. So where the number of fractions, the number of pieces will count, like 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, 4/3, 5/3. This type of fraction, when we write the number of pieces of third piece size, here the number of pieces with third piece size are 5. Okay. Now here the number of pieces with third piece size are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Here the pieces of third piece size are 8. Here the pieces of third piece size are 9. So these pieces, when we only count the number of pieces of that piece size, then type of fraction is called as improper fraction. Now next comes, what are mixed fractions? What are mixed fractions? Okay. So mixed fractions are just a way to represent this in a more simpler form. Here we don't know how many full are here, but in mixed, now 1/3, 2/3 and 3/3. Okay, We had 9 thirds, so we can take out one full pizza from it, 1 third, again 2 thirds and 3 thirds. How many here? 2 full pizzas. Now if we'll join again these, so how many pizzas are there? 3 full pizzas. If we count the number of pieces, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. These are 9 thirds, and 9 thirds means what? 9 third means 3 full pizzas. But if we'll add one more, how many pizzas are there? How many pizzas are there? There are 3 full pizzas. How will we name it? We have this piece size also. How will we write it? We'll write it as, we have in 10 thirds. It was improper fraction. It was telling the number of pieces with third piece size. We had 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I am just arranging them again. 1 2 3, okay, 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So in improper fraction, I'm repeating, in improper fraction, we only count the number of pieces with this piece size, with third piece size. Here the number of pieces are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. But in mixed fraction, we write it in more simpler form. How many full pizza we have? How many parts do we have? So if we'll join 3 thirds, obviously how many 3 thirds? Because from one pizza we can take out only 3 thirds, 3 pieces. So 3 thirds will make one full pizza. Again 3 thirds will make one full pizza. Again more 3 thirds will make one more full pizza, and 10th third is left. So how will we write it? Once we can also write it as 10th third, and we can also write it in more simpler form. 1 full, 2 full and 3 full. 3 full and 1 third of the part is left. So this is 3 full and 1 third of the pizza we have. That's all for today. Try to understand and visualize.